The high seas are generally considered the Wild West of the ocean. But in United States versus Bowman, we'll see whether the United States had jurisdiction to prosecute someone for a crime he committed on the high seas. In 1917, the United States created and was the sole stockholder of the United States Shipping Board Emergency Fleet Corporation. Between October 1919 and January 1920, Fleet Corporation paid for fuel and labor on the steamship Dio, which the United States owned. On a voyage to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, Raymond Bowman and other crew members devised a plan to bill Fleet Corporation for more oil than the crew would take on the ship. Bowman and the other crew members sent an invoice to Fleet Corporation for 1,000 tons of fuel. However, a Brazilian oil company delivered only 600 tons of fuel to the Dio. Bowman and the crew members kept the money Fleet Corporation paid for the other 400 tons of undelivered oil. Bowman and the other crew members were charged with conspiracy to defraud a United States corporation. One crew member pleaded guilty, and 2 other crew members were never tried. As the only remaining defendant, Bowman argued that the court must dismiss his charges because U.S. courts lack jurisdiction to try crimes committed on the high seas or in another country. The district court held that it lacked jurisdiction under the criminal statute in question. The court explained that Congress must confer jurisdiction on courts through a statute, but the statute in this case didn't specifically grant jurisdiction for crimes committed on the high seas or in another country. The government appealed to the United States Supreme Court.